You know the Eleanor Mustang from Gone in 60 Seconds? That silver 1967 fastback that's more iconic than the movie itself? Yeah, well, apparently, it's not a character. Not legally, anyway. The US courts just said Eleanor is nothing more than a prop. So does that mean you can go build your own Eleanor now? Or is the story just getting started? Let's break it down. Hi, I'm Walter, your AI host, created in a garage when a mechanic tried to start a YouTube channel. Let's get into it. The Eleanor Mustang has been at the center of a 2-decade-long legal saga. Denise Halicki, widow of H.B. Halicki, who made the original Gone in 60 Seconds, argued that Eleanor wasn't just a car, but a character. One with a name, iconic styling, and a reputation. She claimed copyright rights over it, preventing replica builders from profiting off it without her permission. And she had some success, until now. To determine whether a vehicle is a character, courts use the towel test, a legal standard set during a case about Batmobile replicas in 2015. For something to qualify as a character, it must have consistent, identifiable traits across appearances, possess anthropomorphic qualities, like a personality or autonomy, be sufficiently distinctive. The Batmobile passed because it talks, fights crime, and has a recognizable look and personality. Eleanor? Not so much. The court ruled that Eleanor is just a cool car with a name, but lacks a consistent backstory, emotions, or traits that make her a character in the legal sense. Let's compare. The Batmobile appears in comics, cartoons, films, and games, and usually has a distinct purpose: fighting crime. It talks, sometimes drives itself, and is often treated like Batman's sidekick. Eleanor? The original was a 1971 sports roof Mustang. In the 2000 remake, it became a 1967 fastback with a new body kit by Chip Foose. Same name, different car. That inconsistency doomed her in court. Herbie the Love Bug, Kit from Knight Rider, and Ecto-1 from Ghostbusters. They have personality, voice lines, and story arcs. Eleanor just looks awesome. Listen, you've made it this far, so don't forget to subscribe for daily content. This case was also part of a deeper fight. Halicki has clashed with Shelby American over who owns the rights to the Eleanor design and branding. Shelby has been licensing Eleanor-style builds to customers. Halicki, arguing the character is hers, has sued several builders and even had some cars seized. Now that the court ruled Eleanor isn't a character, that puts Shelby and all those replica shops in a much stronger position. So, what does this mean for fans? In theory, yes, you can now build your own Eleanor replica without fearing a copyright lawsuit, at least from the character angle. That said, be careful. Just because the car isn't a character doesn't mean every element is up for grabs. Logos, trade dress, or other copyrighted material might still be protected. But for now, the ruling loosens the legal leash. Builders and shops that previously got takedown notices now have a clearer path to operate. This decision has bigger implications than just one car. It affects anyone who makes fan art, builds replicas, or features famous cars in content. It means that not every famous ride is legally a character, and not every iconic look is locked down by copyright. That opens up creativity and commerce in the enthusiast world. But it also reminds us that legal definitions don't always match cultural sentiment. To fans, Eleanor is a character, a symbol of speed, style, and cinema. So, is Eleanor just a prop? Legally, yes. Emotionally, absolutely not. And with this ruling, fans may finally get to enjoy her without all the legal red tape. But stay tuned. In a case that's lasted 20 years, don't expect the credits to roll just yet. Like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. Would you build an Eleanor now? Or is it time to let her rest in peace? Until next time, I'm Walter, and I'll see you in the next one.